Hello, namaste friends. Welcome back to Feasty Fusion. Today's recipe is going to be very interesting. My very own version of coconut and garlic flavored prawns. A quick and easy recipe to follow. So, let's get started. I've got 300 grams of king prawns, coconut oil, desiccated coconut, garlic cloves, black pepper, crushed red chili, and some parsley. We're going to use a clay pot to unleash some earthenly natural flavors. So I'm going to add some coconut oil, that's around 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add some cumin. We'll now add some curry leaves to it. So once we add the curry leaves, we got to add the chopped garlic cloves. So that's the garlic. Now let the garlic cook for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Stir it well, ensure it doesn't get burned. Not to forget, garlic and coconut are the ones that's going to dominate the flavor. Now it's time to add the prawns. Once we add the prawns, we cook it for about 1 minute. Just keep stirring them, and then we'll be adding all the herbs and spices. Just to emphasize again, it's coconut and garlic that's got to dominate, so we're going to be very light with the seasoning. It's time to begin with the seasoning now. First, I'll go with black pepper. I'll sprinkle them in very light quantity. Now to add with some crushed chili. Again, sprinkle in very little quantity. It's just to add some spice, but not really spicy. Got some dried parsley leaves. Sprinkle a bit of it. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Make sure it's as per your requirement. We'll squeeze a half fresh lime to make sure the prawns are moist and they soak all the flavors. It's always been a fact that clay pots are bound to release some natural flavors, which also benefits human health. Altogether, it promotes the recipe to be healthier and nutritious. Finally, it's time to add the desiccated coconut. I got 3 tablespoons of them. After adding the desiccated coconut, keep stirring it well for about a minute. Once you ensure it's mixed well, try to cook it on steam for next 5 minutes by putting a lid on top of the clay pot. Ensure you're cooking on a low flame. By setting it on steam, we are ensuring the prawns is soaked into the flavors. Once you open the lid, you could see how moist the prawns is. The water content that has come out of the prawns and the flavors. So we want to make sure all the water content is evaporated. So put it on high flame, keep stirring it well until you see the water is completely evaporated. Now again, some people might prefer a sauce kind of dish. So if you want, you could add some coconut milk and some cream. That will make it saucy and a loose liquid type of dish. But here I prefer to be dry, so I've kind of got the water evaporated and made it very dry so it can be served on its own. So we have a coconut garlic prawns ready to be served. I can sense amazing flavors and aroma coming off it. Mainly the coconut and garlic, I can feel it. My mouth is already watering and I can sense how my taste buds are going to enjoy this. So why not give a try and let me know how you like it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back soon with another mouth-watering dish. Thank you.